Today, we'll bake very easy cookies. The cat's tongue biscuits. Shall we start? So to make our cat's tongue biscuit, we'll start with the soft butter. Let's pour it into a bowl, add the ice and sugar, stir a little. I add the egg whites, mix them, the batter should never mount. I add the flour. The batter is ready. It must be soft like this, a shade of ivory. I'll take a piping bag with a nozzle size 8 or 9. I transfer the butter in the bag and draw strips on the tray. Once the biscuit is out of the oven, I place it on the rolling pin so that it takes a semi-roundish shape. The technical term of this preparation is cigarette butter. The traditional one is cat's tongue, due to its shape. Here are my cat's tongue biscuits, suitable for elegant desserts, but above all, of everlasting nice taste. Let's taste it. Indeed, to the next recipe.
Ciao!